This is your ITB Media Daily Crypto Brief for Friday, May 8, 2020. Subscribe to IT Biometrics for daily cryptocurrency headlines. In mainstream financial news, CNBC reports cryptocurrency market jumps by over $13 billion driven by Bitcoin as major technical event approaches.
Bloomberg headline, Bitcoin tops $10,000 first time since February, before halving.
The Financial Times reports Revolut's founder should take some lessons from Warren Buffett.
Wall Street Journal headline, Facebook-backed Libra project gets new CEO.
Forbes headline, Bitcoin just hit $10,000 but here's why you shouldn't bet on it right now.
In social media headlines, Altcoin Daily, YouTube, posts a video titled, Bitcoin having 2020 massive FOMO. Bitcoin price explosion to $10,000. But will Bitcoin dump?
The Moon, YouTube, reports great news. Bitcoin is breaking out above resistance. $25 trillion debt.
Data-YouTube posts a video titled, The Bitcoin Halving Rally. Crypto markets are heating up.
On Crypto Zombie, YouTube, urgent, Bitcoin having massive move, breakout now, 50% of all Bitcoin bought by Grayscale and Cash App.
In crypto publications headlines, Cointelegraph reports, hackers threaten to release legal secrets of world's biggest stars.
CoinDesk.com headline, Bitcoin breaches $10,000 for first time since February.
CryptoNews.com reports on its front page, Cryptoverse has a question to new Bitcoin star, Paul Tudor Jones, as Bitcoin tests $10,000 again.
This has been your ITB Media Daily Crypto Brief for Friday, May 8, 2020.
If you want more global cryptocurrency news and real-time alerts, hit the subscribe button now and follow IT Biometrics on social media. ITB Media is a division of IT Biometrics, a leader in security for online transactions and cryptocurrency storage using biometric authentication. Learn more at itbiometrics.com.
You should not treat any news or information from ITB Media as a specific inducement to make a particular investment or follow a particular investment strategy. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Before investing, consider seeking advice from your own financial or investment advisor.